Hey YouTube, I've got a new tin for you guys. Excuse me. If you can't tell, I've got like a really bad flu at the moment. That's the croaky voice. I've got to make it into work today, but I did receive the new tins I pre-ordered on eBay. I'm not sure if these are the first on YouTube. I haven't seen any, but I did pre-order them on eBay, so yeah, let's get started. Where's that pen? Yeah, I didn't actually know this, but it was revealed that the last card in one of the tins was the Beast King Barbaros, which I don't think we were allowed in the UK because it was like it wasn't legal or something due to the Konami reprint things. I don't know. But yeah, let's see what we got. Anything underneath it? Okay, nothing. So yeah, cool. I'll open these first. So we got the wind up Zenmaister, Meister, whatever. Look at that super rare pot jersey. Neo Parchef to Sky Paladin, Christia, and Gaia. There's promos and some starter deck thing. Starter deck leaflet, I don't know. Okay, I'll go from Ragnarok to Extreme Victory. Let's drop the pack there. Okay. Nice. Odin, the father of Acer, and Hope for Escape. Cool. Oh god, I keep drawing cards. Good start so far. Dolph Warrior, that's cool. Rare. Okay, Extreme Victory. What's that? Betting for a soul guide. Okay, so what do we got here? Nice. Not the great super rare, but secret rare, but Gladiator Taming. That's kind of cool. And Junk Servant, which is really good rare. And some cards in it. Cool. So far, it's a really good pack. Really good pack so far in the Zenmaister team. Second Extreme Victory. Resonator Call and Shin's Advisor. That's okay. Not bad. I'll just put all the hollows to one side. Bear with me a sec, guys. So yeah, so far we've got some pretty good pulls in this tin. Right, okay, so, and the 1 generation full switch stocks, they should have made it 1 Storm Ragnarok, 2 Extreme Victory, and 2 generation fulls, but, you know, rare big jaws. Okay, it's not too bad. So far, good tin. Let's put these over here as well. Right. Okay, here we go. Where's the pen? Oh, screw, I'll just use the lid. Hopefully I get single pulls in this tin as well. Number 17, Leviathan Dragon. Okay, the same crappy thing there. Right. Okay, so same amount of packs in this tin, same ones. Okay, let's have a look. Number 17, Leviathan Dragon, Beast King Barbaros, Dark Morg, Star Street Patrol, and Pot Jersey. So yeah, right. I'll start in the same order as the last two. Super. This is a Nordic card. I've already got 2 of them. It's okay, I guess. Not bad. In terms of actually getting hollows, it's a really good couple of tins so far. Symphonic Warrior Piano. Rare. Okay. That's not too bad. Okay, so Extreme Victory. Merklord Army of Grenell. Rare. Okay. Chaos Infinity rare. Yeah, not too great from these two Extreme Victory packs in this tin. And last, not least, last pack of Generation Force. Okay. Rare Masked Hero Goka. Or Goka. Okay, so not bad overall. I mean, fairly good pulls. Let's have a little recap of what I've actually got. Lost a lot of stuff. Where did it go? Right, here we are. Alright, so we got the Dualitys is not for trade because they're going straight in my deck. So we'll Leviathan, but I guess everything else is for trade. Everything you guys have seen here will probably be for trade. If you guys want to buy or trade, it's fine. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, peace.